only a couple of days and OpenAI again is here with another release. This time they are announcing ChatGPT search. They already had capabilities to browse the web, but this is something completely different. This will basically replace Google. So let's look at what is on their official release page. So as of today, they introduced ChatGPT search, which for them means you can get fast answers with relevant web sources. You can use this immediately in ChatGPT. There's no more need to go through the web or to the browser. Everything you need is available within ChatGPT, and they actually partnered with a number of sources that provide up-to-date information on sports, stocks, news, weather, and even integrate with maps. Now, ChatGPT will automatically search the internet based on what you ask it, but you can always activate this manually via clicking the web search. It's available as of today for paid users on desktop and on mobile apps, and it will become available also for free users over the coming months. So the typical use cases for them are getting weather information, consulting up-to-date stock information, looking at sports, news, or even looking at maps. I also noticed that they actually already have a Google Chrome plugin available, which I already installed. And the way it works is you just go to your browser and in the URL you type what is the weather today in New York. And it will then immediately open ChatGPT and starts looking on the web, and you get your result in your ChatGPT interface. So let's see what we have now. You see, this is the question I used via the plugin. And you see, just like any normal ChatGPT reply, the reply is text-based, but there are a couple of differences. They now cite the sources. And in case of multiple sources, you can actually check this. This window will then open, and you will have all the sources that they consulted here. If you don't want to consult one of those sources, you just click on it. Again, a browser window will open, and from here you can then read more about a certain topic. Let's see what else they can do. So I'm back in the interface, and here you see that we now have this icon where I can actually manually search the internet or the web. So let's try some of the use cases they mention in their press release. So let's look for stock information. Now, I know today is a very bad day for stocks. So let's see if ChatGPT already has access to that information. I'll actually turn off the icon just to see what ChatGPT does. What is the Nasdaq doing today? I'll close this window as well. On Thursday, the Nasdaq fell over 2.5%, or is falling because it's still ongoing. So that is actually correct, unfortunately. Let's check the stock price of NVIDIA. And you see, you now get an interactive chart you can use with also the sources, but it's pretty nice that you can actually see what the stock is doing. -4% today. I actually tried this before, and then I typed show me the stock price. Show me the NVIDIA stock chart, but for some reason it never showed me this interactive chart. It just gave me information that is not as accurate. So, I mean, it's probably still in beta use or it needs to be further developed. But it shows that you have to be always good with your prompt and type the exact information, because I would always type something like this because I want to see the chart. But in fact, you only get this interactive chart when you do what is the NVIDIA stock price. So another use case is show me the map. So I'll write something very specific and see if I can get the exact information back. And indeed, it shows me a map that I can also look at in list view. And it seems like I can actually make a call from here or actually get directions. And it will then open Google Maps. That's quite surprising and also interesting. So they are challenging Google, but they'll still use their maps. So other information, we looked at the weather, we looked at stocks, we looked at Google Maps. Let's do some sports. What? So just see what they come up with. This was a quick preview on ChatGPT search. I hope you liked it. I just wanted to bring it out fast to you guys. I will be testing the next couple of days if it's already available on the API. And then I will look at some more advanced use cases that I will share later on. But pretty excited that now through OpenAI, we have direct access to the web. And I already can think of some interesting use cases for some of my businesses. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video and want to keep up to date with future AI developments, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I'm a brand new channel, so I can definitely use the support.